National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lee County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Phillips County in eastern Arkansas, DeSoto County in northeast Mississippi, northeastern Coahoma County in northwest Mississippi, northern Panola County in northwest Mississippi, north central Quitman County in northwest Mississippi, Tate County in northwest Mississippi, Tunica County in northwest Mississippi, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing half-dollar size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located near St. Francis National Park and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Helena, Hernando, Olive Beach, and St. Francis National Park. This warning also includes areas near Acapulco Lake, Horn Lake, Horseshoe Lake, Lake McKellar, Midway Lake, Robco Lake, and Tunica Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a storm shelter or small interior room. Stay tuned for the latest updates and information. To report severe weather only, call 1-800-432-0815. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central. Counties in Arkansas, Lee, and Phillips, and the following counties in Mississippi: Coahoma, DeSoto, Panola, Quitman, Tate, and Tunica.
Tornado watch number 5.